Today, we're diving into the Timetec Hynix IC 32GB KIT DDR4 2666MHz. This RAM module upgrade is a powerhouse designed specifically for servers, boasting an impressive 32GB capacity split across two 16GB sticks. With a memory speed of 2666 MHz and unbuffered ECC technology, this kit ensures reliable performance and data integrity, making it a must-have for any server setup. One of the standout features of this RAM is its compatibility. Designed for selected server systems, it seamlessly integrates into various setups, enhancing overall performance and responsiveness. Whether you're running intensive applications or handling large datasets, this memory upgrade provides the necessary boost to keep your server running smoothly. The build quality of the Timetec Hynix IC 32GB KIT DDR4 2666 MHz is top-notch, with a sturdy construction that ensures longevity and durability. Plus, with a lifetime warranty from the purchase date and free technical support, you can trust in the reliability of this product for years to come. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 288-pin UDIM design, and with a low power consumption of 1.2 V, it helps to keep energy costs down while maintaining efficient performance. The dual-rank 2RX8 configuration further enhances compatibility and speed, ensuring optimal performance even under heavy workloads. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your server to the next level, the Timetec Hynix IC 32GB KIT DDR4 2666 MHz is the ultimate upgrade. With its impressive capacity, speed, and reliability, it's the perfect choice for any server setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.